In this video, I'll show you how to export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator with verified emails and phone numbers. You'll be able to easily export this data into a CSV file, bring it into a spreadsheet or email outreach tool, and even sync it directly with your CRM. We'll be using the free Wiza Chrome extension, and with just a few clicks, you'll get all your results in just a few minutes. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to wiza.co and create a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're signed up, you'll be prompted to install the Wiza Chrome extension. Now, this extension is key. It integrates directly with LinkedIn Sales Navigator and it lets you export your Sales Navigator search results with just one click. Now, go to LinkedIn Sales Navigator and run your search, or go to a saved lead list. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into Sales Navigator searches in this video, but if you do want to learn more, you can check out our ultimate LinkedIn Sales Navigator tutorial linked in the description below of this video. Okay, so now you have your list of leads that you want to export. You'll now see a beautiful purple Export with Wiza button on the top right of the page. This is your one-click solution. Just hit that button and Wiza will start working its magic. Oh, and quick tip, if your search has over 2,500 results, you'll want to split that into smaller searches because LinkedIn limits exports to just 2,500 results at a time. Now, again, we do have an in-depth video on how to do exactly this, which is linked in the description down below. Once Wiza has completed the export, you'll be able to view your list in the Wiza dashboard. Here, you'll be able to download your list along with their verified emails and phone numbers. Wiza flags each email as valid or risky, so you know exactly which emails are verified and safe to use. I recommend just downloading your valid list to be extra safe. You can download your list as a CSV file to easily import into a spreadsheet or email outreach tool of your choice. Or you can push these contacts directly to your CRM using the native integrations, or even use the Zapier integration to send the data to wherever you would like. Yeah, it's pretty much magic. You'll notice that when you open your list in a spreadsheet that Wiza also gets additional detailed data like LinkedIn profile URLs, job titles, company info, and so much more. It's honestly way better than any other LinkedIn export tool out on the market. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, there is an export limit of just 2,500 people per export. So if you want to learn how to export over 2,500 leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, just click the link right here or go to the link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more LinkedIn tutorials and sales tips. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.